Hey guys, JP from EDC around the world. Thank you for tuning in. Alright guys, so today I want to share with you my Work EDC. I do carry around the nutsack magsatch everywhere I go, but I got tired of carrying around a lot of the extra stuff that I only need for work. So if I'm like headed to Walmart, I'm going out with the family, why carry that stuff with you? So I got on Amazon and started looking around, and I found a really awesome admin pouch, tactical admin pouch that I'm going to share with you guys right now that houses my Work EDC. So this also gave me a chance to upgrade my Work EDC and carry some things that I've been needing that I didn't have. So hopefully this is the answer. Let's get to it. All right guys, here's the kit. It's a Barbarians kit. It's the name of the company. It's really excellent kit. It's a 1000 denier fabric. It's tactical, so it's got all this hook and loop on it, and it's got MOLLE capability on both sides. It's just a really, really great kit. So why did I choose this kit over, let's say, an expedition or something? Here's why. Organization. Organization for me is key. So I've got things in this little bag zip pocket here. There's a little flip pocket right here. I'm going to unload everything and show you guys exactly what I have in here. Alright guys, so here's everything in my kit. So on this side, we'll start here. I got my beard comb. I work for Live Bearded, customer service manager over there, and this is what I've got going on. So I always like to have an extra beard comb with me. Gotta be looking fresh, you know? Then over here, we'll start at the top and work our way down. I've got an 8 gig USB flash drive. Now this is my second flash drive. I have a 32 gig that I carry around in my personal EDC, but this for work, I never need more than a couple of gigs, so this works out perfect. Now right behind here, I've got a USB extender. This turns one USB port into 3. It's a 2.0. It's not the fastest, but it does get the job done. It's pretty good. Then I've got various charging cables. Then I've been reviewing this Claris TP20 titanium tactical pen, and it's got a little light on the back end here. Just screw her down and woo, light. And it's just a great pen. So I've been reviewing that for them. Then I have a Victorinox crystal blue mini tool, and this has just got a pair of scissors and a file, a blade, tweezers, toothpick, standard stuff. Next to that, I've got another pair of tweezers, a little bit more heavy-duty ones, a Bic lighter, some 550 cord, and an extra set of headphones while I'm at work in case my other set breaks down or whatever. Got extra. This side, this is all of my tools that I might need for work, you know, taking apart computers or, you know, taking care of different things. Some of the things I do at work would blow your mind. So I always like to have tools. Got screwdriver set with a whole bunch of different bits here, and I've got a bunch of different WIHA screwdrivers. I have a bunch of wire ties in case I'm getting stuff up out of the way. Another screwdriver down here, another mini screwdriver here, another flashlight right here, pretty good flashlight. And then this is the Gerber 9600 military edition multi-tool. Got that when I was in the service. Thought I'd throw it in there just because good to have. Then, in this little flap back here, I carry a little boo-boo kit, just some band-aids and some gauze. Nothing crazy, just in case I slice myself or something, I can take care of that. And then I have a Moleskine notebook, just a nice little notebook. You know, I've got a pen, might as well have a notebook in there. Really, really great. And then I also have a bunch of medications, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, Aleve in here. You know, you're at work, the worst thing in the world when you're staring at a screen all day is to get a headache. Gotta be able to take care of it. And over here, the power section, I have an auto drive power bank. This is what currently is at 74%. This thing will, at a full charge my iPhone 3 times before it's dead. It's no bigger than a phone, and it's just a really great piece of kit to have. And then I've got a bunch of batteries, AA and AAA, for various things that I may need at work for, like, you know, computers, mice, that kind of thing, keyboards, mice, whatever, you know. But that's what it is right there. That is my Work EDC. All right, guys, and that's my EDC. That's what I use for work. What do you guys use for work? Let me know in the comments below. You know, leave me a DM. You know, hit me up in the comments section. Let me know what's going on with your EDC. All right, guys, it's that time. grab your kit. It's time to go.